Hello and welcome to Nature Days Outdoor Learning Resources, sponsored by the Gout Society. Now today we're going to do a craft activity and I'm going to show you how to make a sit-upon. Now this is a sit-upon and it's a great thing that you can take on a walk with you because you can just carry it, but then when you get to a place where you want to sit, you just place it on the ground. Lots of nice padding in there so it's comfy even on a rocky surface. Also it's waterproof so you won't get wet, and then you can take it back with you as well. Also, you could take it into school, so if you're doing outdoor learning and you need something to sit on, you could put it in the yard, so you can sit on a hard surface and have a soft cushion there, or you could use it to sit on the grass to have a picnic. So this is what you'll need to make it. What you'll need for your sit-upon is a reusable shopping bag. Make sure it's a laminated waterproof one and it doesn't have any holes in it. Some duct tape, scissors, and something to stuff it. You can use some foam, which will be nice and soft, or you could use wool or stuffing. And if you haven't got that, you could use lots and lots of crushed up plastic bags. You could even use newspaper or bits of old material. Doesn't matter what it is, as long as it's some stuffing that will keep it nice and comfortable for you. You can use a glue gun as well if you like, but the duct tape should hold it down fast. First, you're going to duct tape down the sides of your bag. Making sure they're nice and secure. Then do the same for the other side. If you're using your glue gun, you could glue inside here first, press them together before you duct tape them. Then duct tape along the bottom. Trim off any excess in the corners. And make sure it's staying secure. Next, open up your bag and add your stuffing. You may have to cut it to size. Place the stuffing inside the bag. Add more stuffing if you want it to be even more comfy. Seal the top of the bag with more duct tape. You cut around the handles for your duct tape. You can stick around. Make sure it's nice and secure. And there you have it, your own sit-upon. Now you can go for a walk carrying your sit-upon, and when you get somewhere you want to sit, put it on the ground, sit down on it, and you've got a nice comfy seat that's going to keep you dry. I hope you enjoyed our craft session today and you've created a nice sit-upon that you can use every time you go for a walk. If you have created one, then I'd love to see them, so please tweet any pictures you've got, #NatureDays or #DawnAtNatureDays, or put it on the Facebook page and see how many sit-upons we can see, and hopefully these will be useful for you in school or when you next go on a picnic or a walk.